an example of the Macgregor 26X tracking with a bungee cord. Right now we've been tracking for about 20 minutes at 90 degrees compass, magnetic. That's the heading. And the track is 75 degrees, 76 degrees. So for 15 to 20 minutes I've been tracking at 76 degrees. My heading is 90 degrees. And looking at the Windex, we're on a broad reach. So I'm assuming the wind is about from the south at 180 degrees, which is 90 degrees from my magnetic. Down here at the bow, that's to the south. There's one sailboat way out there. And there's the bungee cord doing its thing. Looking up at the main. See the Windex shows, with at least apparent wind, we're at a broad reach. So I've heard some people say about they had some trouble tracking with the Macgregor. I've never found that to be a problem. Put the bungee cord on there. There's a couple of other my videos show, and it just stays on track all day long. There's the water going below us. Okay, now my jib is out. Put it in there, it's on my inside track, inside of the shrouds. I have not changed my main. The lean is quite different. My magnetic is 115 and my track is 100. My speed, however, is 4.6, and I don't think the wind's over 10. It might be 7 to 9, 7 to 8, somewhere in there. Okay, we're 4 miles, exactly 3.9 miles from shore. Let's say, though, I wanted to go a different direction. Of course, all this time, I've had my rudders straight. I could turn. That's what I'll do. I'm going to turn to 60 degrees. Okay. I turned this boat 60 degrees. Centered up the rudders again. Actually 65 on my magnetic, 65 on my track. There we are, we're back to 115 on the magnetic, 100 on the track. Steam speed is 4.3. Now I'm going to tack back, cross through the wind. I'm going to tack back to get back to port. So I'll show you what my heading is after I tack, and I'll put it back in the bungee cord. Okay, made my tack. The Windex is 45 degrees off. You can see it up there. 45 degrees off the bow. My jib's flapping a little bit. I need to trim it. And we're still on the bungee cord. I'll put it back in the bungee cord. Right now my magnetic is 245 and my track is 240. A little more up and down on the waves now since we're going into the wind. Bungee cord doing its thing. Okay, it's probably my last issue today. I'm getting near the inlet, 0.6 miles to the inlet, 3.9 knots. My magnetic is 245. My track is 245, and I'm dead on course. Mr. Bungee's still doing all the work. So it's the end of sailing for the day. I'm going to take it in the inlet right over here. My track says I'm going 15 degrees, but I have the wheel turned, speed's 4 knots, but a lot of that's current. Still on the bungee. I've needed a couple minor corrections, but right now I'm going to leave it set. My wheel is turned to the left, 45 degrees. The wind is quarter off the stern. I guess autopilot's got to be pretty consistent. Bungee cord's not going to do it. It'll take it to that certain sweet spot, 45 degrees off the bow, but when it's 45 degrees off the stern, it doesn't work. Okay, don't have much time. Battery's about to run out. Wind's 10 to 12 right now. Seas 2 to 3. We're leaning pretty at 20, 25 degrees. Mr. Bungee's doing the job, and I've got it back on its sweet spot. The rudders are centered. My magnetic is 130, 140, 135, 140, and my track is 120. So I'm tracking 120, my magnetic is 135, and I'm headed out in just a sweet spot. Got a 20-degree lean, got the bow going, doing its thing, got a little bit of spray coming in the boat.